Hello again and welcome to another video review, and today I'd like to show you this lovely little Skoda Fabia Monte Carlo 1.2 TSI finished in the grey with the black roof alloys and mirror caps, and a very smart looking car. Nice alloys with the rim protectors as well. Got the red interior, all nice and clean inside. Decent amount of space in the back. All nice tidy bodywork. Decent sized boot, and underneath there is the blow up and the locking wheel nut tool and the tools. So it's all nice tidy bodywork, no dents or scratches. Very smart looking car, very presentable. Let's just take a look inside. You've got controls there for electric door mirrors, electric windows, adjustable seat height, $29,000 miles, full service history with that. It's got the air conditioning, radio CD, lock and unlock from there. It's also got the media input there you can plug into. Storage. 5-speed manual. Conventional handbrake. Some nice detailing, red stitching on there as well, which is nice. 12-volt socket, auxiliary socket. Lovely and clean inside. It's got all the book pack with it, service history, that's all with it. Good economical car, very reliable. Very smart looking. Shouldn't be too bad on the insurance either. Nice Monte Carlo badges. It's a limited edition, I think, this one. It's got the daytime running lights as well, front fog lights. All in all, nice little package. So if you're looking for something small and nippy, it won't break the bank, it's cheap to run, looks the part, give me a shout on the usual number or drop me an email. And thanks again for watching.